welcome back to another video. So guys, big up all my subscribers and thank you all for subscribing and to be on this journey with me. So guys, today we are going to the city to meet up with two friends. Actually, he's the consulate for Jamaica. He lives in Sydney, so he's come down to meet up with us. So we are on our way. It's raining and I'm a bit tired, but trying to look my best still. I want some sleep. So guys, I'm gonna start with some video in a few minutes. It's raining, so there's not much. So see you when I'm close to the hotel that we're going. Guys, it's getting dark. We are still on the highway going into Adelaide. We are approaching the exit to Bridgewater. Guys, it's not much to see, so I'm gonna cut the video again and then continue when we get to our location. Guys, it's night time. As you can see, we are close to the hotel, so we are in Adelaide now, driving through the city. So guys, we have parked over there and we are looking for the lift. Why? There is my little hot husband. So guys, we are out. So we are on the street, guys. Walking in Adelaide. So guys, we are heading to the entrance of the hotel. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna go inside and then we're gonna ring our friends, give them a ring so they know that we are downstairs. Hmm? Yeah. Just hold on, Tony. Tony is ahead and there is Marco. Marco, how are you?
Marco wasn't totally accurate. When you said that he lived in Adelaide, I said, I hope they haven't come.
So guys, we're here having a drink and talking. So I'm gonna show you a little bit around the hotel. So gear up for that, guys. It's coming.
Today, you must have landed what, 2 days ago? No, this morning.
So guys, that's where we walk, and we were sitting over there where those chairs are. So now we are heading towards. We are gonna have dinner now. So guys, we are at the table.
Yeah. That's alright. I'll take a photo.
Guys, while we were at the table sitting down, we run into my mechanic. He's sitting right behind me with his family there. That's Troy. So guys, we are here waiting on our meal. It's not here yet. So I ordered barramundi. So guys, that's fish, and they're just gonna fry it and serve it with asparagus.
Video.
So guys, this is my dinner, and everyone is having the same thing. So guys, I'm giving you a tour around. I think guys, this is the end of the video. We are gonna go home. So guys, this is the city of Adelaide. Look how beautiful it is. I think they're having a festival, but I don't know what kind of festival, but the street is lit up so nicely. Look at this image guys.